They're off. Seeking Freedom in the middle, off to a good start. Aquavit has some early speed, hitting hard part of the pace, and there's Run Pancita. So 4 up front. Vernon's Best is away well, and the early trailer at the back of the pack is Agnello City. So now it's hitting hard, a short lead as Run Pancita joins the early fray. Vernon's Best up into third as Seeking Freedom's now back with Agnello City, and Aquavit broke alertly but is now 6 lengths off. They race to the 3.5, and it's Hidden Heart and Run Pancita together. Vernon's Best moving up nicely, nearly 3 across the track now. Aquavit, Seeking Freedom, and Agnello City, the trailing trio. Vernon's Best takes the lead. They're on the far turn. Here's the 5/16ths for Vernon's Best. Then it's Run Pancita. Hidden Heart on the outside in third. Aquavit gaining ground from fourth. Quarter pole, and the leader is Vernon's Best. Run Pancita re-engaging on the inside. So Vernon's Best went by. Run Pancita will now stay in front of Run Pancita, who's game. Vernon's Best short lead. Run Pancita nose to nose, a furlong to go. Run Pancita on the inside. Vernon's Best on the outside. Vernon's Best still just in front. 16th to go. Vernon's Best. Run Pancita battle to the wire. Seeking Freedom destined for third. Vernon's Best just a bit better than Run Pancita. Seeking Freedom was third, and Agnello City